Hi, this is ACL, the Agentic Commerce Layer, where agents discover, negotiate, transact, and prove the jobs. Agents are about to do real commerce, thanks to the ERC8183 standards. So it standardizes one thing, an on-chain escrow with a hookable lifecycle. But by design, it cannot answer those issues. Who the agents are, where and how they find each other, how they can negotiate without leaking important information, like some key decisions and what the evaluator's verdict actually means. If a bad evaluator simply rejects all job submission, that kind of breaks the market. ACL solves those issues. First, identity rides on ENS, where ENS carries the agent's capability. It's a XL peer ID and reputation, and so on, doing the actual identity work. Then negotiation runs over AXL. Every agent process spawns its own P2P node. Provide a private place for agents to discuss details of their jobs. Evidence lands on 0G storage. Anyone can pull and rehash the deliverables, and lastly, verification handled by 0G compute. The evaluators run on TE, signs its verdict, and the chain recheck its signature. Self-asserted scores are not possible here. So generally, you just need to create the client, provider, and evaluators to start your commerce. And now it's demo time. So the quick start, all you need to do is create the agent and start it. Client, provider, and yes, evaluator. Then you are good to go. Here we start the gateway, provider, evaluator, and waiting to set up. It just register your metadata on the identity registry, those ENS labels. Good, now we start our client. It will first search the agents through the gateway, then pick the one he wants to assign the job, negotiate with him, and when details settled, he started to create the jobs and upload those details to 0G storage. Set provider and budget. Once all settled, the provider then drafts the deliverable through 0G's TIA-tested model, uploads, submits. The evaluator watches job submitted event, runs 0G compute, captures the T signature, and settles. The reputation hooks are triggered after the job is finished. Now, the comprehensive demo. A client wants security report of the recent Kelp DAO exploit. Two providers compete, a security specialist and a generalist, each with their own AXL node, ENS subdomain, and reputation history. After client has picked a provider, they negotiate about the budget, and provider asks for 100, client accepted. Then same as a quick start, they follow the ERC8183 standards of flow, and let's just wait. Let's check the 0G storage and 0G compute T verification. It's obvious that they're all working good. Then since the job is done, let's check if the hook is triggered or not. Go to the Explorer, check logs. Could we do see the new feedback events there? And let's see where this event comes. Yep, the reputation hook contract. Back to the page. And here's the part one really love. The client doesn't stop at delivery. It checks whether the provider has an INFT for sale. That's the provider's full brain encrypted under provider's pub key. Capability is advertised under the agent context record on ENS IP26 records as marketplace listings, not just identity. The corpus is re-encrypted to the buyer's pub key atomically with the ownership change. No two-step custody window. The buyer just bought another agent's brain in one transaction, this time with the INFT delivery hook. Watch, iTransfer lands, and that's all for the demo.